Hello students, in this video we shall discuss question number 2 and question number 3 of exercise 2.1. In the last video we discussed question number 1. So this is question number 1 that we discussed in the last video, and now we're going to discuss question number 2 and question number 3. Write the coefficients of x squared in each of the following. Coefficient means the numerical factor, the number which is with x squared. So for the first one, 2 plus x squared plus x. There are three terms and we are interested in this term, x squared. So before x squared, if you see, there are no numbers. It's just plus x squared. So when you have no number, that means it's considered 1. So the coefficient of x squared is 1. Next one, 2 minus x squared plus x cubed. First find out the x squared term because we are interested in x squared. So here we see the x squared term, and before that we got a minus sign and there are no numbers. So if there is no number, that means it's just 1 and there is a minus sign. So the coefficient of x squared is minus 1. Third one, pi by 2 x squared plus x. So two terms are there and this is the x squared term. So if I hide this x squared, what is left? Pi by 2. That means the coefficient for this one is pi by 2. That is the answer. Pi by 2 is the coefficient of x squared. Just hide this and see what is left. Fourth one, square root of 2x minus 1. There are two terms and we don't have any term with x squared in this case. So when there are no terms with x squared, we can consider it as 0 because you can think of this as 0x squared. 0x squared means 0, right? So the coefficient here would be 0. Moving on to the next problem, question number 3. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. You must know what is a binomial, degree and monomial. Binomial means any algebraic expression which has two terms. So if there are two terms, we say binomial. If there is just one term in the expression, like say 2x, so that is a monomial. If I say 2x plus 1, so two terms, that's a binomial. And degree means the highest power of the variable. So whichever variable you take, the highest power of that is called the degree of that algebraic expression. So we want binomial of degree 35. Binomial, two terms, highest degree 35. So two terms, that means let's say the two terms would be x, degree is 35. So x to the power of 35, we can put any number here. Let's say we put 3, 3x to the power of 35 plus 5. This could be one example, or you can say x to the power of 35. Let's say 100 minus 4x. This is also a binomial and the highest degree is 35. So binomial of degree 35. And we want a monomial of degree 100. Monomial means one term and the highest degree is 100. So in this case, it would be, let's say the variable is x to the power of 100 and we can put it as say square root of 2, or we can say 3y to the power of 100. You can take any variable, any letter as a variable. Just remember it must be one term because it's a monomial and the degree is 100. I hope this is clear to all. Thank you.